Ezyrail modular handrail system. A tough, versatile, and easy-to-install safety solution for industrial, commercial, and residential applications. Ezyrail is designed for exceptional durability and weather resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance in any environment. With its modular design, Ezyrail adapts effortlessly to straight runs, corners, slopes, and flat surfaces, making it ideal for warehouses, factories, car parks, shopping centers, disability access areas, footbridges, and roof railings. Quick and hassle-free installation, all you need is an impact drill and hex key. The clamp connection system creates strong, flush joints, eliminating the need for welding and speeding up the setup process. When installed correctly, Ezyrail meets Australian standards, ensuring full safety compliance. The Ezyrail DDA range enhances accessibility and safety, meeting Disability Discrimination Act requirements for inclusive spaces. For more information or a quote, call 1300 049246 or visit safetyxpress.com.au today.